So it's rained heavily last night, and this is something that I did. It started from like maybe 7, 8 o'clock, maybe sorry, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock yesterday night. So I collect the rainwater, put them in the tubs for them to take bath. And somebody told in the previous video commented like, hey, you got all that shit around and the birds are in my fly pen. And this was when with the whole snow and all, like the snow melted, the snow was there, then it froze, the birds shit on it, so it was all on the ground. And if you look, when it rains it washes away. At that time the snow was still there, so it didn't really completely, wash off. But I'm most likely gonna add more gravel, because I had plenty of gravel in here, but over the years when you walk and the birds walk on them, they get on the ground. So when you add more gravel, it kind of keeps everything down. So somebody said like the birds will get sick and all. I mean, they're used to it. They take the bath, they go inside and eat. Knock on wood, luckily I don't have any problem with diseases or anything like that. So they're pretty much adjusted to the surroundings. But I understand their concern, because it doesn't really look that clean. And I know, like, I don't have the cleanest loft, and a lot of people, depending upon the way they raise birds, some people have like immaculate lofts where they clean it every day or once a week. I clean it once a year. But to the same person who commented on my thing about how dirty it is, like, here's another video, like maybe a week later, like all the snow has melted, a lot of the stuff on the ground has gone away. All the you don't see any more snow on the ground. It just all cleaned up, and the birds, the same birds that you saw in the videos, are still here. And when people ask me about, like, I wouldn't keep birds like that, I'm like, I have been posting videos for several years. You can see, like, there are pretty much a lot of the same birds in the video, or there could be some young birds that have grown up and that are raised over the years. They got added in the video too. But you can find the same exact birds in several videos over the past few years. But I don't have anything against people who keep their lofts really clean. It's your thing. I just don't have the time to do it, and I do with whatever I have. But my birds don't seem to have any problem. It's a pretty nice, kind of, I would say, warm day. I would say the temperature right now is around maybe 48 degrees or something. It's not freezing, so that is a good thing. You can see some birds are hesitant to like take baths, but over there in the roller coops, they're already taken baths. Let me go back over here. Oh yeah, they're already over there too. They're taking baths too. So when I started the video at that loft, nobody has taken a bath yet, but now they're in the mix over there too. See, these two are, you guys might be able to spot them from a previous video. They're two brothers. They're actually nest mates. That one over there, yeah, that's has the same red band. There's another one over there. That's a hen. But this one, it's almost like a mismarked saddle. They're from the same clutch, and they both are cockbirds. Rollers are having a blast with the bat. Maybe we have the first contestant over here to jump in and take it back. Maybe not. Well, he definitely jumped in. Believe me, that water is cold too, because I touched the water, I put my hands in there. It is cold. Nice indigo cockbird over there. That's the color that I miss in my rollers, because what I have in there is mainly blues and blacks, and indigo would make a really good addition to that. So I'm seriously thinking of maybe adding 2 indigo rollers in there. Maybe 2 or just 1. You only need 1 bird. Indigo, I mean indigo and Andalusian, they're like the same thing. So get an Andalusian or indigo, add them to the mix. Be nice to have an Andalusian roller in the mix too. So I might get an Andalusian or indigo and add it to the mix. I've been trying to do longer videos because somebody texted me, asked me like, hey, do longer videos please, but I thought maybe people get bored with the longer videos, so I try to do smaller videos.